Welcome to part one of a three-part series where we're going to walk you through how to add a new membership level to Memberium that corresponds with a Learn Dash online course, giving people access, removing access, and then also configuring the the dashboard so that people can see a course that they have access to, and then if they don't have access, they would get a ghosted or a gray image, and that gray image can be connected to a sales page for potential upsells. So let's get going with this. I'm going to go and share my screen now. So let's get started with that, and let's get started with the site. So the site I'm going to be using to illustrate this is called Instituto de Negocio. I am logged in as the administrator. That's why we have this black bar at the top. Instituto de Negocios is like a Spanish language digital marketer. There's a lot of programs on how to use digital marketing in your small business. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at Dobla tu Productividad, which is double your productivity, and Internet Marketing Summit. This is a list of recordings from a summit that they had. It was a 2-day summit. Each of these are organized similarly. So this is a list of recordings of the first days of activities, and then we had the one from the second day. This one here is a course on how to double your productivity. So there's 4 lessons, a very simple Learn Dash configuration. So what I want to start off with is let's look at the Memberium memberships. So I just clicked here to refresh this, and you'll see that the grabaciones corresponds to this membership level. This corresponds with Infusionsoft tag 3860, and I'll show you that in a moment. And then we have Dobla tu Productividad, which is tag 2719. If I click over here and go to the CRM settings tag and then go to tags, we get to that page where I was. And I'm going to filter the tags so that we only see the tags that we've created for Memberium access. And you'll see that we have grabaciones. That's the ID 3860, so that corresponds with the 3860 here. And then I'll go back to tags and we'll look at Dobla tu Productividad, and that's 2719. So the reason these are connected is because those tags are over in Infusionsoft. They're assigned to clients, to members once they're given access, and that's how they get in. Now, because I have those as membership levels, if I go over here to Learn Dash and I look at cursos, and I'm going to open up a new link for this. If I look for example, Dobla, which is the double title, so I'm going to filter for that one. I can look in here, and if I edit, I'll see that the Learn Dash course and the corresponding lessons, lecciones in Spanish, are protected with Dobla tu Productividad. So if you look at the Memberium membership levels, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 membership levels. If I look over here, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 membership levels, and this is just another box so that you can protect a page for any membership level as long as it's one of these. Now, this content protection box is going to appear for any page, for any post, and most all post types. So you can always set up a membership level and then count on being able to protect that using these checkboxes. Now, just to illustrate how easy it is to create a new level, I'm just going to create a test tag. So we'll call this test Memberium. Yeah, I'll just call it what I called it before. It was in a previous lesson I was teaching. And so I'll make that part of that Memberium. So we've created a new tag in Infusionsoft. I'm going to go over here to the Memberium membership page. In order for Memberium and WordPress to see a tag in Infusionsoft, I have to do a resync with Infusionsoft because the synchronization isn't happening all the time in order to make it efficient, or, not to have it be taking forever every time. It's for performance reasons. So I'm going to click on this start here, and I'm going to click on this synchronize Infusionsoft. So this will refresh in a moment, so that now all the tags that are created in Infusionsoft are shown over here in WordPress. So I'll go back to memberships, and I'm going to go and I'm going to create a new membership level. So I'll go in here, what's the tag? So this will just be test membership. And then I'll go to the tag, I'll type in test. And you see there's tag 3952. I could add a payf tag. I mean, there's more things I can do, but I will just create a very simple test membership level. So there it is. It goes with 3952. If I see the tag number, it's 3952 over there. And because I added it as a membership level, if I go to a course, so here's the Dobla tu Productividad, and I refresh this page, that tag is now going to show up, I'm sorry, that membership level is going to show up here. So instead of there being 10 of these, now there's 11 of them. So that's how you connect Infusionsoft to Memberium. That brings them together. The tags is what you assign to people so that they have access to the content that's only to be seen by people who purchase that membership level and the corresponding online courses. So that's the end of part one. Stay tuned to the next section where we'll continue with the description of how to configure a new Memberium membership level.